Hello everyone, in this video I want to show how to generate Cisco IOU or IOL license for GNS3, PNETLab version 6 or even G. Okay, to generate Cisco IOL license we should have this .py file, CiscoIOUKeygen.py. In PNETLab version 6 we have that file in this location, cd. If I go to this location, opt PNETLab add-ons IOL and bin. In this location we have IOURC license key and CiscoIOUKeygen.py. This CiscoIOUKeygen.py that we have in PNETLab version 6 does not support Python version 3 and above. For this reason, we should download CiscoIOUKeygen.py that can support Python version 3 and above. You can download that CiscoIOUKeygen.py from this website. If I type Python, we have Python 3.8 for PNETLab version 6. This is this is our current Python version. Okay, let's go to this website. This is Github.com website. From this repository, I simply download. I have already downloaded this. Let me delete from this. Create from this icon. Simply download and keep. Then I'll go to my WinRCP and connect to my PNETLab VM 192.168.130 by bootcode dental. My password and login. This is my Keygen.py file. I'll go to opt PNETLab add-ons IOL and bin and upload this Python version. This Keygen that can support Python version 6. Version 3. Yes. Okay, now from here I type Python 3 and 3.8 and select this file, and by this command I can generate my IOL license. I copy this license and I can type nano and go to this location, nano opt IOL bin, and type my license key name. My license key name should be IOURC. IOURC without any extension. Once we type enter, let me delete this file and pay this. This is my license here, and hold Ctrl and press X. yes, and location should be, the file name should be IOURC without any extension, yes, enter. I can verify by cat and IOURC my license. Each hostname has its own license. For whatever, if you want to change your hostname, you should generate another license key for that hostname. Okay, that's it. This is how we can generate license for IOL for GNS3, PNETLab, PNETLab version 6, or even G. I hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for being.